Terri Johnson is with me today with the Quirkles. Terri, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Remind folks who the Quirkles are and why I'm wearing this.
That's right. Well, it's because it looks so nice on you.
That's, you got it.
The Quirkles is a 26-book science literacy series. It integrates science with reading and a different topic for each book.
Kids love
the experiments. That's right. That's
what are we
going to
do today?
Where today we are talking about different properties of water. Earth Day is coming up next week, so I thought it would be a good opportunity to talk a little bit about water conservation.
Water, like in the Ganges. Where is that?
Right.
India.
Right. India, right. Not Nixa. Not Nixa.
No. Nix is in Missouri.
That's right. That's
Two
right.
for two.
So, right,
you knew that one, Rob. Okay, very good.
Okay.
All right, we got water going here.
Well, first of all, we were not going to have time to actually show how these expand, but these are called jelly crystals, and what they are is super absorbent polymers that absorb the water 150 to 300 times their size, because this is their original size. Okay. So the implications of this is that you can put these in plants, potted plants, and that you can actually cut down your watering 50 to 80%.
I've seen that, as a matter of fact.
You can find these not only at science stores or on your website, but you can find them in nurseries as well. So I wanted to be sure and tell the audience that today, because probably in the next
It's almost like a slow-release water source.
It really is. And the implications it has for science, obviously, are in areas with drought. It has been phenomenal. So really, just in the last few years, this has come about. So
good idea. So this is going to be handy for all the people planting things as we're going through spring.
And these are obviously just colors. Plus, they're just fun to play with. Feel them. They feel really kind of like jelly.
It is. It's like a Jello jelly, and
just to get in there. So that's
well, what are we going to do though?
Well, what we are going to do is I'm going to show you some really cool sand. Okay. Hydrophobic sand and hydrophilic sand. Now, first of all, this is just sand that I got on the beach in Mexico. Okay. Right. And I would like for you to just take the sand and slowly pour that in the water. Slowly? Yeah, just slowly pour it in there. Just regular sand, just so the audience can see that, no big deal, no surprise there, Tom.
It looks like sand going into the water.
Right, and it falls to the bottom. Now fill the sand. Pick it up with your hand, the wet sand.
The wet sand.
Yeah. And is it wet, obviously?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Right, the molecules
it feels a little different, right?
Right, so just as you would expect with regular sand from the beach. Well, this sand, forgot the paper towel.
That's right, that's right.
You can just wipe it on there.
That's true, I can.
All right, now this is what we call hydrophobic sand. All right. Water-fearing sand.
Water-fearing, right.
I'd like for you to take this sand and slowly pour it in the water. Just slowly pour it. We're going to let it fall in there. Now notice what it does. First of all,
kind of clumping up after it
clumps together. And I'm going to hold it up so make sure that the TV audience can see how it kind of forms a sculpture in the cup.
Yes.
Yeah, really neat. But you got it in there?
There it is.
All right, now Tom, take your cup. And we're going to pour the water off in your other cup. Let's just pour the water off. Try to get as much of the water out as you can.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what's really cool...
We got about 30 seconds.
Your sand is...
It's dry. Now
your sand is dry. Hydrophobic sand. What it is it actually kind of has an oil-type base on it, which is basically a Scotch Guard on the sand. So it fears water.
Who'd have thought you'd need Scotch Guard on dirt?
That's right. That's right. But that's what it is.
One of the experiments. People can find out more about the Quirkles where?
On our website, Quirkles.com, IPA, Anna Sophia's, and on your website, Ozark.com.
There it is right there.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Tom.
Same to you.